This is the Fitbit Charge 6 by Google. It's a premium fitness tracker that looks like a smartwatch, but it does so much more. Here are 5 reasons why you should consider buying the Charge 6. 1. The design. It has a minimalistic and modern design and it's available in 3 different color variations. 2. The tech. The Charge 6 is full of tech. It has 7-day battery life, it's water resistant and has a built-in GPS and an always-on color touchscreen. 3. It's amazing for health tracking. The Charge 6 can monitor your heart rate, is capable of SpO2 blood oxygen tracking, it has an ECG app for heart rhythm assessment, it's also capable of sleep tracking and has stress management features. 4. It's amazing for fitness. The Charge 6 has 40 plus exercise modes. You can track your favorite exercises like runs, bike rides, weights, yoga and more and get live stats on your wrist. It can also connect to select gym equipment so you can see your heart rate directly on the gym equipment display. And 5, it has Google built in. It has essential apps and services you already know and love from Google, such as Google Maps, Google Wallet, and YouTube music controls. And of course, it's also a fantastic smartwatch with so many more features. Check out the link to learn more.